In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a deal in HubSpot. First, log into HubSpot. You will see a login screen where you need to enter your credentials. This typically includes your email and password. Once you have entered this information, click the Login button. It is crucial to ensure that you use the correct credentials to avoid any access issues. If you have forgotten your password, there will be options to help you recover it. Once logged in, you will be directed to your HubSpot dashboard where you can access various features. This initial step is essential because it establishes your access to the CRM tools you will need. Next, go to CRM and select Deals. On the left side of your screen, you will see the CRM tab. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Deals from this menu. This will take you to the Deals section where all your existing deals are listed. Here you can view deal statuses, amounts, and stages. This section is the heart of your sales pipeline, so familiarizing yourself with it will provide a clearer understanding of your sales process. Once you are in the Deals section, you are one step closer to creating your new deal. Now, click on Create Deal, which is located at the top right corner of the screen. This button is usually highlighted, making it easy to find. Clicking it will open a form where you can enter the details of your new deal. This step is significant because it initiates the process of adding a new opportunity to your sales pipeline. Once you click on it, a new window or form will appear, ready for your input. After that, enter the deal information. Start with the deal name, which is the title of your opportunity. It's important to choose a name that clearly identifies the deal, as this will help you and your team track it easily. Next, move on to the pipeline section. Here, choose the sales pipeline that this deal will belong to. Selecting the appropriate pipeline ensures that the deal is categorized correctly within your sales process. Now, let's select the deal stage. This is where you indicate the current point of progress for this deal. Choosing the right stage is vital because it helps your team understand where the deal stands and what actions might be necessary next. Following this, you will need to enter the expected revenue value for the deal in the amount field. This figure is crucial as it represents the potential income from this opportunity, aiding in overall sales forecasting. Next, you will enter the expected closing date. This date is important as it allows you to set a timeline for when you anticipate the deal will close. Having a clear close date helps in planning your sales strategy effectively. Then, specify the deal owner, which is the person responsible for managing this deal. Assigning a deal owner is important for accountability and ensuring someone is actively overseeing the progress. If necessary, add additional properties to further define the deal. These can include custom fields or notes that may provide additional context. Including this information can help streamline communication and decision-making within your team. It's essential to capture all relevant details to maximize the effectiveness of your sales efforts. Finally, click on Create Deal. This action will save all the information you have entered and add the deal to your pipeline. You will see a confirmation appear on the screen reassuring you that the deal has been successfully created. This final step is crucial because it solidifies your new opportunity in the system, allowing you to track and manage it moving forward. Thank you for following along and happy selling.